What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 51 cents, down 0.62 on the day. Seeing market cap 4.75 billion, 24 volume, 247 million. Let's hop into the chart. So Matic is sitting in the wave 2 pullback zone. I do think there is a chance that we will go lower, and instead of this being the wave 5, it will be over here. Just because Bitcoin looks like it's going to come down a little bit more, which could easily give the opportunity for Matic to break this low and come down in a deeper wave 5. If we bounce from here, then it can be a 1-2 setup. But even if we look at Ethereum, so what I think is happening for Ethereum, unless this is a leading diagonal, but it would be quite an ugly leading diagonal, but anything is possible. I think it's probably WXY, ABC into a W, and then ABC into a wave X, and you would ABC down in a wave Y. Potentially take you down to the 78.6, maybe a little bit lower. If we break that low, that invalidates that as a 1-2. We can't break from here. Anything is possible, but I think it's more probable that would come down and create that lower low. We'll have to see how that plays out. And if that were to happen, then of course it's going to bring Matic down and create that lower low. But if Ethereum does see a straight breakout, and we can come up and start to break the wave 1 high, which would be bullish confirmation at 1667, then Matic could break out from here. Ethereum on the daily chart, we basically are hitting resistance right on that trend line. So if we do break that trend line, that would be bullish. But as I mentioned, I do think DXY is a good opportunity to push a little bit higher and just create that lower low. We'll have to see how it plays out. If Matic starts to push up and break 52 cents at B wave high, that could be the first signal of a straight breakout, and of course the bullish confirmation of wave 1, the break of the wave 1. If that were to happen, we'll start looking for trades. Until then, we'll remain cautious. All right, gang, my signals are $10 a month. You really can't beat it. For my exact trade setups, you can get a 14-day free trial if you sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Email me or sign up email. You also get a 20% deposit bonus for my subscribers only. Otherwise, $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon for daily analysis for many coins, my exact trade setups for crypto news, member profits, how to all place, Forex signals, and Forex analysis as well. So we're trading crypto and Forex. Over 2,000 members in the Discord. Basic access is free. All links in the comment section down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.